Hey guys, this is the NuYupo cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a 15-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner because it has all these attachments and it can do so much. And you can use this on hard surfaces, on carpet, on rugs. It has enough suction. It has 3 levels of power. You're going to change the power right here. You turn it on with this little trigger. So we're going to turn on level 1, level 2, and level 3. You turn off with the trigger again, but this is pet friendly. So they have a different design on the bottom that makes it easier so it doesn't just catch hair and get clogged and stuck. But in case it does, you can use this hair removal tool. Let's go over the attachments. This was actually the first attachment I ever used because I do a lot of DIY projects, which always means there's a lot of dust. And this makes it so easy to quickly get all that sanding dust. Really lightweight. This is great to use in your car. It's the flexible hose, so that you don't always have to be bent in weird positions. You can move this right where you want it while keeping your other arm nice and still. This is a mattress one, so you can go over your mattress. This is something I don't do often enough, but both my husband and I have allergies, so this is kind of huge to be able to keep your mattress clean. So anytime I do laundry, I'm going to start using this on our mattress. This is for your dryer, and oh my goodness. I had purchased something like this to attach to our old vacuum years ago, but I just didn't get in a good habit of using it. But now that it's already with all of this, it's going to be so much easier to use. I didn't realize how backlogged it had gotten. Look at all of this fluff that came out of my dryer vent. The one I currently have on, this is the pet hair brush, because pet hair, over time, if it's long enough, it is going to get tangled up in the roller. So there's no roller here. They kind of use this red thing to start collecting the hair, and then it just goes straight down. So you can use this on dog beds, on your couch, anywhere your animals leave a lot of fur behind. This is a great option. I've never seen this come with a vacuum before. The cord's nice and easy. You're going to plug it into an outlet, and it plugs in right on the front of the battery. And you can remove this battery if you want, and you could charge the battery just by itself, or just leave it all set up. A feature I really like is on this brush head. It has the green LED light. It easily illuminates anything that's on the floor in front of you. So I actually like kind of vacuuming when it's darker out, or dark down hallways without turning the lights on, because I feel like it shows me a lot more what there is. I have tried a few different stick vacuums, and for one reason or another, they just aren't quite everything I want them to be. But this one is fantastic. You can see it stands on its own without having to be against a wall or hanging on the wall mount. And it has so many attachments that is really going to make my life easy. Like, these kind of attachments fit in with how I normally clean our home, or how I would like to be cleaning our home. And I especially love that it is pet hair friendly. One more little detail, I love that this can become so short, so it's easier to do stairs, or if you have children that like to help vacuuming and they're a little shorter, this makes it just the right height for them. But of course, you can extend it a little bit or keep going. There's a lot of different levels. So if you're looking for a cordless stick vacuum that you can use all around your house on different surfaces with a bunch of different attachments to make your life a little bit easier, this NuYupo is a great option.